The dust bag attaches to your belt sander to help control the sawdust created while sanding. The cloth bag has a plastic frame that supports it. There's a clasp on the bottom so the bag can be emptied. Eventually the bag will wear and need to be replaced. It will tend to wear around the frame and near the clasp. Replacing the dust bag is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The dust bag's collar secures it to the sander, and it's just a pressure fit. To remove the dust bag, I'll give it a little bit of a twist and pull it away from the nozzle. To install the new bag, I'll align the collar with the nozzle and press it firmly in place. And that's how easy it is to install a new dust bag on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.